Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok shop not showing. So if you are facing this problem as well, I will show you a solution. So for this, first of all, just open the TikTok application in your mobile and then tap on profile icon in the bottom right corner, and from here you just have to tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for settings and privacy, and now scroll down here and then you need to clear where it says report a problem. So just tap on it. It's just going to load for us here, so you just have to wait a second. And as you can see, we are now taken here. I'm just going to scroll all the way down here and then click here where it says submit a report. So just tap on it, and now from here you just have to tell the TikTok team what problem you are facing. So you just have to write something like this: my TikTok shop is not showing, please fix this for me because it's a very important function for my TikTok. And then you just have to write your username here. You can also add the screenshot of your problem as well, and then just tap on this submit. And after that you should wait about 1 to 3 business days, and hopefully TikTok team will fix this problem for you. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.